Since making the world's first camp kit back in 2008, a lot has changed, but one thing remains the same. We're still the makers of the best LED camp kit on the market. Zach here from Hardkorr, this time taking you through our tricolour camp kit. Our all new bars come with a more polished finish this time around, but it's not all for looks. Coming complete with protective end caps to help with flush mounting, an all new extrusion profile to help strengthen the bar, and a removable diffuser to help widen the beam angle. Our bars are now better than ever before. Completely dimmable, the bars can now be changed to 3 different colour temperatures. Cool white, perfect for occasions where a full line of vision is needed. Orange, to reduce the attraction of bugs. And now all new, warm white, to create a less intense colour temperature that is perfect on your eyes and the campsite. We've also made these much easier to mount. Attach them to any metal surface using the inbuilt magnets, or slide the pole clips to the back of both the bars and the dimmers to affix them over any tent or awning poles. If you're looking to permanently mount them, you can pick up a set of our flush mount clips. Simply screw them to any surface, clip the bar on for a more permanent solution. Each kit comes in a rugged hard case with a set of extension leads, splitters, dimmers, pole clips, and a cigarette lead, making setup simple and ultra flexible. Coming complete with a 5-year warranty, you can pick up either a 2, a 4, or a 6 bar kit from your local Hardkorr stockist or order online today.